So guys, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So I just got my Tammi X Twilight collection, and I checked on BOOZY shop because she did so good. I've been watching her videos on YouTube about her new collection with Makeup Revolution, and oh my god, the palettes are so nice. So guys, I live in the Netherlands, and the Netherlands most of the time we find things late, but BOOZY shop came through, but they didn't completely come through because I only found the eyeshadow palette, which I'm very happy. I'm so excited to see how it looks, how the colors, because the colors were popping, so I had to quickly check, and I just found out that they only have the palette, but I think in the future they will also have the contour, the bronzer, and the rest, so, and the lippies. So I will always check if they have, then I can get them also. So I'm going to open this box and see how the palette looks like, and I'm going to open it with you guys. So let me just, I don't want, because I have my address on top, let me just open it. So then as usual, you can see here, now I've opened it. As usual, you can see inside it has this card, and it's called, this package is happy to see you too, so I'm very excited. And then look how they package their things, just look at that. And this the card, and then they have inside the card, I'm very sure it's the receipt of the how much it cost, the palette cost. So they had another, oh my goodness, and then they have this thick packaging. The way they package their things are very nice. And then you can see Tammi X, and then what do they have here? I see something, a note or something. It's just how to, what they have and how to get there. But I'm already a member, so I'm already signed in. So this is the pack. Look the way they package it. It can't even. And then they also have the papers on the, just to keep it safe. So that's BOOZY shop for you. I love how they package their things. I love everything about BOOZY shop. But so I got this. No, but I got this. They didn't have any other. They only had palette. Only palette. They didn't have the other, the contour and the bronzers and the lippy. So I just took this one. But I'll be checking. If they have, then I can get and show you also, guys. So let me just open this. It's a little bit difficult. Guys, look at that. I thought that it was a little bit small, but it's big. It's a big palette, guys. Wow, it looks so nice. Look at that packaging. And then they have the colors on they show you the colors here. They show you the colors, what colors they have here. Oh my goodness, just look at that packaging. Tammi, you did something here. Wow. And then you have the numbers of the palette and the information. Wow. Very, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Look at that. So guys, I will be doing swatches for you, and I'm going to use this palette like this week, like this. I'm not waiting, girl. I'm not waiting. So I'm going to do swatches. I'm going to do swatches for you guys when I open it, and then you're going to see how it looks like. So I think I'm going to open, and then you see how it's how inside looks like, or I just do that on another video. I just want to let you know that we are going to check this thing out. Wow, I love it. Wow, nice. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to see how I'm going to use this palette and the swatches. And yeah, it cost me actually in the if you live in the Netherlands and you want to get this one, you can go to the BOOZY shop. It cost me like 12, yeah, it was 21 euros. Only the palette was 21 euros, 21 something euros. Let me check it for you guys, the exact price. So I have a receipt here. Yeah, it was 21 euros and 95 cents. So that was the price, 21 euros and 95 cents for this palette. So that's what I got. I can't wait to work with it, guys, and let you see, and swatches also. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.